After we defined what field the structure would have, now we need to know how to initialize the structure. Well, let's continue with the module from last time. Here we first define a function called student, and let's make it public so we can call it from other places. Well, assume that we're not taking any parameters or returning anything now. Then we'll inside the function, we'll do let student1 equals student, curly braces, ID 1, active, true, score, just give it a random score like 80. Okay. So if we run this code now, okay, you can see that we have some trouble saying student doesn't have drop ability. Okay, we'll explain what this means later, but for now, let's just simply add has drop to both structures. Okay, now we run it again, and now error is gone. Cool. So basically, that's how you would initialize the structure. One little trick worth mentioning here is that if we have the same name for local variables and the structure field, then we can just pass in the parameter. So to test it out, let's have two other students. Just copy paste student 2 and student 3. Okay, and let's let size equals 3. And in order to create a class structure here, instead of typing class size, column size, student 1, column student 1, student 2, column student 2, blah, 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 we don't need to do that here. We just need to let class equals class and just pass in the parameter 2 and the 3. Okay, that's cool. We can just pass in parameter here directly because here the local variable name is the same as the structure field name. Okay, let's build and see. Okay, it's working. Now let's get back to drop. We'll cover more about this in type abilities, but briefly, to drop something in move is equivalent to destroying the structure before leaving this scope. Recall that in previous lecture for scope, we learned that primitives will be automatically destroyed after leaving their scope. Yes, so all those primitives have drop ability in nature. But for structures, once you have created it, it will persist even after you leave the scope. Since it might create something like very similar to memory leakage or something like that. Therefore, in order to destroy the structure after leaving the scope, automatically, you need to have drop ability. Cool, that's the end of this video. See you in next one. Bye bye!